Ever wondered what happens behind the factory doors where your favorite frozen pizza is born? Today, we're going on an incredible journey, following one single pizza from start to finish. Inside one of the most advanced food production facilities in the world. Get ready for a mesmerizing display of precision, technology, and of course, deliciousness. Our story begins in a cloud of fine, white powder. This isn't just any dust, it's high-quality flour, the very soul of our pizza crust. Watch as a perfectly portioned hunk of dough, kneaded to absolute perfection, lands on the line. A massive hydraulic press descends, and with a gentle hiss, transforms it from a simple ball into a flawless, round canvas. Look at the texture. The tiny air pockets already forming that is the secret to a crust that is both crispy and chewy. It's the first step in a long and fascinating ballet of automation. Now, our naked crust begins its travel on a spotless stainless steel conveyor belt. It glides forward, moving into the first station of flavor. Here comes the sauce. A series of gleaming nozzles hover above, and with surgical precision, they dispense a perfect spiral of rich, red tomato sauce. It starts from the center and expands outward, leaving just the right amount of border for that classic crust handle. The sauce is made from sun-ripened tomatoes, seasoned with a secret blend of herbs and spices. The aroma, even here in this vast space, is absolutely mouth-watering. The journey continues. Next up, the foundation of any great pizza, the cheese. A waterfall of freshly shredded mozzarella cascades down. It's a blizzard of cheesy goodness, blanketing the sauce in a thick, even layer. But how do they make sure every pizza gets the exact same amount? Sophisticated sensors weigh each crust before and after the cheese shower, ensuring consistent perfection every single time. Nothing is left to chance. This isn't just sprinkling cheese, it's a science. Our pizza is starting to look familiar, but it's not complete without the toppings. This is where things get truly futuristic. A squad of robotic arms, moving with the speed and the grace that's almost hypnotic, springs into action. Each arm is tasked with a specific ingredient. Watch this one. It is picking up slices of pepperoni with delicate vacuum grippers and placing them in a geometrically perfect pattern. Another arm follows, dotting the surface with vibrant green peppers and sweet onions. The placement is so precise. It's like a work of art. These robots can handle hundreds of pizzas a minute, never getting tired, never making a mistake. It's a testament to how technology has revolutionized food production, ensuring quality and consistency on a massive scale. Now fully dressed, our pizza approaches the heart of the factory, a true trial by fire. It glides onto a massive, multi-tiered rotating rack, ready to enter the belly of the beast, the colossal industrial oven that stretches towards the ceiling. This isn't your oven at home. We're talking about a ton of intense, controlled heat, reaching temperatures that can cook the pizza to perfection in mere minutes. As our pizza enters, the blast of heat is immediate. Through the heat-proof glass, we can see it begin its transformation. Inside the fiery chamber, the pizza rotates slowly, ensuring every single inch is cooked evenly. The magic is happening right before our eyes. The cheese begins to melt, bubbling and stretching into a golden, molten blanket. The edges of the pepperoni curl up, getting delightfully crispy. The crust rises, turning a beautiful golden brown, promising a satisfying crunch with every bite. The colors intensify, the aromas deepen. It's a dramatic and beautiful process, watching simple ingredients come together to create something truly irresistible. After what feels like an eternity, but is actually just a few minutes, its journey through the inferno is complete. It emerges on the other side, a picture of perfection, golden, bubbly, and steaming. The cheese is perfectly melted, the toppings are glistening, and the crust looks absolutely divine. But it can't rest for long. The pizza is immediately whisked away to the cooling zone. A gentle flow of purified, chilled air passes over it, bringing its temperature down rapidly. This step is crucial. It stops the cooking process and prepares the pizza for the final stage, ensuring it will be just as fresh and delicious when you bake it at home. The final leg of our pizza's journey is a high-speed sprint to the finish line. The cooled pizza glides into the packaging station. In a flash, our machine shrink wraps it in a layer of clear film, sealing in all that flavor and freshness. You can see the speed and efficiency here. It's a blur of motion. Almost instantly, the wrapped pizza is slipped into its brightly colored box, which is folded and sealed by another automated system in less than a second. From there, the box pizza joins thousands of its identical siblings. Another robotic arm, a true heavyweight, stacks the boxes onto a pallet with incredible precision. Once the pallet is full, it's wrapped and whisked away by an automated guided vehicle, a self-driving forklift, to a massive freezer warehouse. Here, it will wait, frozen in time, until it's shipped out to a grocery store near you. And that's it, from a simple ball of dough to a perfectly packaged meal, ready for your oven. The entire journey is a stunning combination of raw ingredients, human ingenuity, and mind-blowing technology, all working in perfect harmony to create one of the world's most beloved foods. It's a process that happens thousands of times a day, but seeing it up close makes you appreciate every single slice just a little bit more. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible factory tour. It is truly amazing to see the science and precision that goes into making the food we eat every day. If you found this as fascinating as I did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more behind-the-scenes journeys, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see us explore next. Until next time, stay curious.